Hey my loves, welcome back to the channel. It is your girl Empress back here again with a new reaction video. If it's your first time here, you're welcome. If you're returning, welcome back as well. Today I'll be checking out a song by Peter Gabriel. It's my first reaction to Peter Gabriel, and the song title is Sledgehammer. If you're new here, ensure you subscribe, share my videos and like my videos. That is the best way you can support my channel and help my channel to grow. Okay, so guys, let's get straight up into today's video. Oh, a baby has been made. Oh, okay. First, I like that. That's all you do is call me. I'll be anything you need. That sounds like a sweet way of saying he'll be there for his lady whenever she needs him. That's sweet. So I guess he's singing this to a lady. What?
Why don't you call my name? Oh, let me be your sledgehammer. This will be my testimony.
For real?
Show me around your fruit cage, 'cause I will be your honeybee.
Oh.
Open up your fruit cage, where the fruit is as sweet as can be. I wanna be.
Sorry. Okay, maybe I'm getting this wrong, but saying to a lady, show me your fruit cage, I want to be your honeybee. What does a honeybee do to fruits? It feasts on them, right? Okay, maybe I'm just overthinking, or could it be that this song is actually just naughty? Because I don't know.
Why don't you call my name? You better call the sledgehammer. This will be my testimony. I'm your sledgehammer.
He literally wants to be everything to the lady.
Be no doubt about it. Sledge.
This video quality is great. It's so creative.
Shed my skin.
Oh, this is really creative, guys. Oh wow. Oh wow. Wow. I can't imagine the amount of work that must have gone into making and creating this video. It is so creative. It is like it has got great visuals, and the sound of this is just incredibly amazing. I thought that it's the perfect pop song. It's upbeat, it's catchy, it has got a happy sound, and also it's kind of a little bit naughty, I think. Or am I just overthinking what I heard on that very part? Show me around your fruit cage. I want to be your honeybee. I'm sure he was saying that to a lady. Saying that to a lady. I think it means something else. Maybe I am wrong, I don't know. But then this was a beautiful one. I really love the sound, but the video quality, oh my god, when was this done? If it is way back in the 80s, man, that means so much work must have been put into creating this particular video. Alright guys, so thank you for checking out this one with me. If it's your first time here, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think of this song, and I'll see you all in my next video. Until next time, I love you. Stay safe out there.